How good is your wolf IQ? In Alpha and Omega, what are the two main wolves from different packs? A. Kate and Humphrey. B. Luna and Max. C. Bella and Shadow. What's the 2018 film about a girl raised by wolves? A. The Wolf Child. B. Alpha C. Wolf Girl. Who plays the werewolf in Twilight? A. Jacob Black. B. Sam Yulee. C. Paul LaHood. What's the 1983 film about Yellowstone wolves? A. The Wolf of Snow Hollow. B. Never Cry. Wolf C. Wolf Children. In Narnia, who's the White Witch's wolf captain? A. Moghrim. B. Fenrir. C. Varg. Howl loud and proud in the comments and let us know your score. Did you rule the pack or get lost in the woods?